How to add dual clock on your home screen. Hello everybody, in today's tutorial I will be showing you guys how you can easily add dual clock on your Android's lock screen. But before we get started, I want you to head down below to give this video a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well. So let me show you my lock screen first. I'm just gonna lock my phone and then open it up again. As you can see here, I just have my local time right here on my lock screen. But if you want to set dual clock on your lock screen, you just have to follow these steps. The very first thing that you need to do is open up your phone settings. And once you get to your settings, just scroll down to wallpaper and style and tap on your lock screen to edit it. And you just have to tap on the clock option. But if you are not able to find your lock screen settings this way, what you can do is just simply lock your phone, unlock it again, tap and hold on your lock screen, which will prompt it to open the lock screen settings automatically. So as you can see, you will get right into the lock screen settings. Just tap on the clock section right here and you will find different options. So as you can see here, it's something like this, and I can even add analog clocks, but here is an option to add a dual clock. So it will ask you to enter your local time first. So I'm just going to add a city. So from here you can scroll through the world map and find the desired location. So let's say if I want to add a local time from New York, I'm just going to select the city and tap on add. So as you can see here, you are able to add multiple cities to view its time on your lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, consider liking the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.